This is how to add a tracking number in WooCommerce, and it's actually way simpler than most people think. Jump into your WordPress admin dashboard and head over to WooCommerce on that left sidebar. Click Orders from the dropdown and you'll see your order list. Find the order you need to update and click right on that order number. This brings up all the order details, and what you're looking for is down at the bottom where it says Order Notes. Hit that Add Note button and just type in your tracking info. I usually write something like shipped via UPS and then the tracking number, but you can phrase it however makes sense. Here's the part that trips people up. Make sure that private note to customer is selected. That's what actually sends the email to your customer with the tracking info. Without that checked, you're just writing yourself a note. Click Add and boom, the note saves and the customer gets their email automatically. Pretty neat how WooCommerce handles that behind the scenes. Now you want to update the order status too. Look for the Order Actions dropdown and change it to completed since the item shipped out. Hit Update and you're all set. Your customer gets an email with their tracking number and knows their order status changed to completed.